Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Shopify Marketplace Connect. So first of all, you need to go down to your settings here, and then from there, you need to go to apps, press Shopify App Store. This will take you to the Shopify App Store, and then we need to search this. And then you should see this Shopify Marketplace Connect come up. What we want to do is install this. Press install. Once it is downloaded, you'll see it underneath apps. And here we can connect the different apps. So as you can see, I can connect Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. So click connect account. Then you want to select a specific store that is appropriate with your specific market. Press connect. And then here we can insert our details, sign in, press continue, and that will connect the account for us, guys. Once you have connected it, you will be able to see all of your listings here underneath listings. So yeah, I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.